So we will do your chapter sound, which is of physics, and this is the most easy chapter. Okay, swear it hands down. Now, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy which is produced when two bodies vibrate. First of all, the question is, what is sound? Sound क्या होती है? Sound is a energy. Sound एक energy है which is produced by two bodies. Vibration of two bodies means जब भी दो bodies आपस में collide होंगी, then it will produce vibration and that vibration produces the sound. Means first of all, the vibrational are produced and then sound is produced. If I am clapping with one hand, is it possible to create a sound? Is it possible sound is produced? No. When we use our two hands, we clap with our two hands, it will produce sound. Very good. So, sound is a form of energy which is produced by vibrating of two bodies. Sound तभी produce होगी जब दो bodies आपस में collide होंगी. अब sound requires a medium. Means sound को कोई medium चाहिए, या तो वो air में travel कर सकते हैं, या water में travel कर सकते हैं, या फिर it will travel in a solid. Okay. If vibration are produced, if you stop the vibration, then sound will automatically stop. Sound ही automatically stop हो जाएगी जब आप vibration को stop करेंगे. Means जब आप clapping करना बंद करेंगे तो sound भी automatically stop हो जाएगी. Second question is, what is the SI unit of sound? SI unit of sound is decibel. For example, we measure distance with meters. The SI unit of distance is meter. If I want to measure the liquid substance, it will measured in wait it out. So liquids को हम किस में measure करते हैं? Liters में. So ऐसे ही हम sound को किस में measure करते हैं? We will measure sound in decibel. So what is the SI unit of sound is? The SI unit of sound is decibel. Critic, first of all, listen, better listen. Understand this thing. After the class you can write. Okay, now you have to listen very carefully. Okay, so what is sound? Sound is a form of energy. Sound एक energy है which is produced by when two bodies collide or vibration of two bodies produces the sound. First of all, vibration is produced and then sound is produced. Okay, now what is the SI unit of sound? Decibel is the SI unit of sound. Second one is types of sound. Sound can be soft or loud. Sound can be pleasant or unpleasant. Sound can be audible or inaudible. Means sound soft हो सकती है या loud हो सकती है, pleasant हो सकती है, सुनने में अच्छी हो सकती है, unpleasant सुनने में irritating भी हो सकती है. Sound can be audible, sound सुनाई भी दे सकते हैं, और कुछ sounds ऐसी होती हैं which are inaudible, जो आपको सुनाई नहीं देती हैं. Sounds like chirping of birds, the barking of dogs, the cries of street vendors, the zooming of the aeroplanes overhead, the clatters of the pan in the kitchen. These are the types of sound which we usually hear at our home. Next is, the question is, how sound is produced in humans? First of all, in humans, vibration are first of all. अपने गले पर हाथ लगा के देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पर एक वोकल कोड है. जब आप कुछ भी बोलेंगे, अपना नेम बोलिए, तो आपको क्या सुनाई देगी? वाइब्रेशन सुनाई देगी, आपको फील होगी वाइब्रेशन. तो वोकल कोड प्रोड्यूसेस द वाइब्रेशंस एंड द वॉइस बॉक्स, दिस इज द वॉइस बॉक्स और लैरिंक्स, it is produce the sound. Okay, so in humans, vibrations are produced by vocal cord and sound is produced by voice box or larynx. Understand? So in the humans, vibration are produced by vocal cords and sound is produced by voice box. Okay, good. This is the easy chapter, most easy. You can understand easily. Next is, what is amplitude? What is amplitude? Wait, beta, wait. Okay. So what is amplitude? First of all, what is amplitude? Amplitude means how much louder I am, how much louder you are, how much you can displace your voice from your mean position. That is called amplitude. Means आप कितना louder हो सकते हैं, आप कितना चिल्ला सकते हैं. That is your amplitude. Means like Natik कितना चिल्ला सकता है, that is his amplitude. The maximum displacement of vibrating body from its mean position is called amplitude. Means मैं कितना चिल्ला सकती हूँ, how much louder I am, that is my amplitude. Now take an example like Havish is shouting and I am also shouting. Havish voice reaches to 5 meter and my voice reaches to 10 meter. How I am measuring my sound, my amplitude? Havish sound is reaches to 5 meter and my sound reaches to 10 meter. So you are measuring the distance, you are measuring the meters. So what is amplitude? SI unit? SI unit of amplitude is meter. Means मैं कितना चिल्ला सकती हूँ, कितनी अपनी वॉइस को डिस्प्लेस कर सकती हूँ, that is my amplitude. Okay? Means the maximum displacement of vibration from its mean position is called amplitude and its SI unit is meter. Then what is frequency? Frequency means the number of vibration produced per second of a body is called frequency. Means मैं कितना fast बोल सकती हूँ, कितनी number of vibrations one oscillation में produce कर सकती हूँ, that is my frequency. Like संध्या है, संध्या मुझसे ज़्यादा fast बोल सकती है. Like I will give him I am a good girl. Like संध्या बोलेगी I am a good girl. संध्या बहुत स्पीड बोल रही है आई एम अ गुड गर्ल और मैं बोल रही हूँ आई एम अ गुड गर्ल. सो मेरी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो बहुत लो है, संध्या की फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत हाई है. ठीक है. मीन्स आप कितना फास्ट बोल सकते हैं, हाउ फास्ट यू कैन टॉक, हाउ स्लो यू कैन टॉक, दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी. कनिष्क, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? You don't know how to attend a class? Am I kidding here? Am I joking here? Then why you are laughing? So, what is frequency? The number of vibration produced per second of a body is called frequency, and frequency is measured in hertz. I am repeating again. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which is produced when two bodies vibrate or two bodies collide. जब भी दो bodies आपस में collide होंगी, then vibration is produced, and then vibration produces, then sound is produced. Sound requires medium. Sound can travel in air, water, or solid. If I am stop the vibration, sound can automatically stop. Then what is the SI unit of sound? SI unit of sound is decibels. Then sound types of sound. Sound can be soft or loud. Sound can be pleasant or unpleasant. Sound can be audible or inaudible. Then in humans, vibrations are produced by vocal cords. This is my vocal cord in my voice box. ये voice box के अंदर ही होती है vocal cords. जब ये आपस में कोलाइड करती हैं, वाइब्रेट करती हैं, so these are producing vibration and then vibrations are converted into the sound by the voice box. So this is the also important question. Vibration are produced by vocal cord and sound is produced by voice box or larynx. Understand? Then next question is what is amplitude? Now amplitude means how much louder you are or how much you can displace your vibration from your mean position. The maximum displacement of vibrating body from its mean position is called amplitude, and loudness is dependent on amplitude. Means loudness and amplitude are the same terms, and the SI unit of amplitude is meter. Then next is what is frequency. How much fast you can talk or how much slow you can talk, that is frequency. The number of vibration produced per second of a body is called frequency. एक body कितनी vibrations produce कर सकती है एक second में, that is called frequency. And the SI unit of frequency is hertz. Now our pitch is dependent on frequency. हमारी जो pitch होती है, जैसे आप recognize करते हैं मेरी वॉइस और किसी मेल की वॉइस में, उसकी पिच हैवी होगी और मेरी पिच क्या होगी, लो होगी, क्योंकि मेरी आवाज पतली है, और किसी मेल की वॉइस क्या होगी, बहुत हैवी होगी. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पिच. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी क्या होती है साउंड टर्म्स में. जब आप डिफरेंशिएट कर लेते हैं दो साउंड्स को, मीन्स लाइक मेरी और हाविश के वॉइस में अगर आप डिफरेंशिएट कर लेते हैं, दैट इज क्वालिटी ऑफ वॉइस. मीन्स हाविश की साउंड की क्वालिटी अलग है और मेरी साउंड की क्वालिटी अलग है. सो when you distinguish between two notes of the same intensity and pitch but produced by two different instruments, या तो वो दो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की वॉइस हो सकती है. अब जैसे वायलिन और गिटार हैं, उनकी साउंड्स अलग अलग है ना, तो आप डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ साउंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्वालिटी ऑफ साउंड. क्लियर? Whenever produces the sound will have its own characteristic set of frequencies and their own unique timbre. So that's why different sound can playing different same notes. Means different जो instruments होते हैं वो different sound produce करते हैं. Now the question is more than 90 decibel causes loss of hearing. अगर आप 90 डेसिबल से ज़्यादा साउंड सुनते हैं तो आपका ईयर ड्रम बर्स्ट हो सकता है, फट सकता है. ठीक है. नाउ डिफरेंट साउंड फ्रिक्वेंसीज. अगर ब्रीदिंग की साउंड आप देखें तो जो आप सांस लेते हैं, इट प्रोड्यूसेस 10 डेसिबल साउंड. व्हेन यू आर विस्परिंग, जब आप खुसर फुसर करते हैं एक दूसरे के कान में, दैट प्रोड्यूसेस 20 डेसिबल साउंड. Conversation, when you talk with someone or you conversate, your conversation produces 40 decibel sound. Traffic noise produces 50 decibel sound. And the noise of factories is 70 decibel sound.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.